108 ॲम्ब्युलन्सीच्या सर्व्हिसींत सुदारणा करतले तशेंच अपघात क्षेत्रांत 108ची सुविधा सुरळीत करपाचो यत्न करतले म्हण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयल्यात. दर दिसाच्या कामाचो अहवालय 108 ॲम्ब्युलन्सीच्या कामगारांक सादर करचो पडटलो म्हण मंत्री राणे उलयल्यात. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
108 ambulances have to be put on track. We have already started cracking the whip. There is no question of permanent employment or permanent jobs in 108. It's a hire and fire service because it's a high pressure job. And second thing is the boys who are there, they are not even cleaning the ambulances. There's a lot of shortage, but same time, in the same breath, there are certain reworking of the functioning of 108, which I've already started putting. We have asked them to do a reshuffle in the management staff. Along with that, try to see that trained paramedics and other things are made available. So I am sitting with the Director of Health Services and I've already had 2 rounds of meeting. So we want to bring this 108 like how it was earlier. And another 10 ambulances will come. We will have trained personnel on those ambulances which will come by 15th of May. So we will see that all the accident hotspots are covered. And also every day, I have asked them to put a system in place where every day they will be reporting to my office by email exactly how many patients have been calls they have attended to, how many calls were received by the call center, how many calls that they attended to and how much time it took. And if anything crosses beyond 15 to 20 minutes, I need to know the reason why. And last couple of years there was no medical audit. So there's the audit that has to be done every 15 days. And we will be doing it, and I'm doing it immediately as ASAP. But I'm trying to just get my old staff that was there, the trained paramedics that were trained by GVK in Hyderabad. So those paramedics are required because otherwise we cannot save lives. We need trained people to save lives. So we are putting, and Chief Minister has given me a free hand to see that I deliver. So I have to also study this properly and start putting things in place. And already 3 rounds of meeting we have had. I'm going to give a brief presentation to Honorable Chief Minister on Monday about what are the steps that I'm taking, so that with the number of incidents of accidents that are increasing, every 108 has to work overtime and efficiently. And it's not an easy task. They have to be disciplined. They can do union, they can go where they want. It is not going to bother me because ultimately that service is started not for somebody to put a union in place, but for saving lives.